This is the easiest way I've found to do a tire change on any car. Specifically here, this Volkswagen Jetta. Start by loosening all your lug nuts on all 4 tires. Step 2, you want to make sure the car is in a good position so you're not gonna hit anything when you take the tires off. Now you work on the access. Careful now not to hit the tires. That's what we're trying to say. Also want to make sure it doesn't come back on you. I get a full roll. See, that only helps you on 2 tires though, so you gotta invest. Rest of the time, go the extra mile. Now you got access to all 4 tires and you're not breaking your back with a jack or anything like that. Well, it's as easy as that. All 4 tires off, no jacks, no fuss. Just a little smart thinking, and it's a quick job. You gotta make sure you push it back out of the way when you're done. Don't want to leave the car in the middle of the road. One of the side effects is there's a little bit of a smell of gas, but if you get past that, best way to change, take tires off.